So please, guys, just hit like button. Okay, it's very, very important you do so. We are going to spend few minutes, or maybe we can stretch it to an hour. So let's see how this one will go. Madam Kano court case was adjourned in next month, 19th and 20 of next month. So we saw how he was defending himself. So guys, like as I was saying, we saw how the court case of Madam Kano went, and we saw him defending himself in the courtroom, and some people were not happy. Some people were questioning about why is he defending himself, where is the lawyers and all that. We need to understand that Madam Kano is not a novice. He knows what he's doing, and he have the opportunity to express himself. And mind you, lawyers have tried their best to make sure that they present the issue before the whole world, even to the judge, Binta Yako, I think that is her name. I was told that she's supposed to go retirement, but because of this court case, they bring her back. Maybe she's good at detaining people illegally, or maybe she's good at managing any client that is because this to me, Manakan is a client. They just want to milk and suck money out of him. They don't have any case against him. They don't have any proof whatsoever. And he, just like he likely said in that video, that when he was addressing the judge, he made mention that the Nigerian government don't have any right to try him. Considering the condition they use, the method they use to bring him back, and the allegation that putting on him that he jumped bail, which he did not, and he have proved beyond every reasonable doubt that he did not jump bail. I see you, Thomas. That's your name. I see you. Thank you so much. You are watching from my location. I see you. That's nice. That's not of you. Please like the video. How are you today? You are the first commentator on this live broadcast. Let me see if we can start, going through what you are here for. All right. It is very important we do so. We have seen what he said actually in the court, and I'm going to play it now for you to understand. Just for record purpose for this video, just hear this.
What their law says. Any court of law in that's what the law says. Anybody standing in trial or coming to try me is a terrorist. That's what their law says. As simple as that. Section 2, subsection 3F of Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act. That's what it says. Any court considered to try me is committed as terrorism. Yes.